Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on ClipDramatizer, a desktop video animation software with which you can apply cool animated effects to images and videos. For example, here is a static image I created for my How To Tutorials YouTube channel. And here is the animated version in which I applied a few animated effects in ClipDramatizer. Here's another example in which I took the short original Creative Commons MP4 video and applied a couple of animation effects in ClipDramatizer to make it look so amazing, as you can see. So let me show you how it works. I've got ClipDramatizer open here. This is the Pro version. You'll see these two options, Wizard and Advanced. I'll choose the Wizard option, and it'll start loading. Here we are in step 1, in which we set project settings. As you can see, it's got a clean and simple user interface. Let's start by setting the duration of the video. I'll go with 5 seconds. Next, you import an image or a video. I'll import an image, choose it, and click Open. As you can see, it's uploaded it in this preview section. I'll click Next. And here in step 2 is where all the magic happens. You'll see 2 tabs, Animated and Static. In this demo, I'll stick with the animated effects. I'll use the search box and look for a glitch. I'll choose FX Glitch 1 and 2 by checking these boxes. And we can then preview it to see what the animation looks like. I can control the speed of the glitch here. I'll leave it as default. Next, I'll search for VHS. And I'll choose the VHS tracking one. And finally, I'll search for computer and choose the supercomputer effect. You'll notice that the effect options will vary for each effect. Let's take a quick preview to see what all the 4 animations look like. Pretty cool, right? I'll go ahead and change the color from the dark blue to a lighter blue, like so, and then save it. Let's take a quick preview. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. I'll click Next. And here you'll see the timeline. You'll notice that all the 4 effects have been applied to the whole video. And we can adjust these sliders to apply the animation effects only for a certain duration, like so. We can then take a final preview of all the animations we just applied. That looks pretty good to me. And then finally, we can choose the video rendering settings. I'll leave them as default and click Render a Video. Give it a name and click Save. The time it takes to render the video will depend on the length of the video, as well as the number of animations applied, and of course, your computer specs. There is also an advanced mode, which I will cover in a separate video. In ClipDramatizer, there are a ton of really cool animation effects, as you can see, and I'll be showcasing many of my favorite animation effects in another video. With the front-end version of ClipDramatizer, you get the commercial license, and it comes with 50 animated and static effects, along with unlimited renderers and much more. With the Pro version, you get additional animation effects, unlimited video length, unlimited effects in the same video, and 700 business objects animations. Bear in mind that because it is a desktop app, you will need a computer with decent specs. ClipDramatizer comes with a full 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Check the link in the description section to learn more. Well, hope you found this ClipDramatizer review helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.